Hi guys, this is Professor Kim. Technically, it's the last day of classes, and so I just wanted to check in with you all one last time. I guess just to say goodbye. I should let you know that I'm horrible at goodbyes. If you saw me in person right now, you would know how awkward I really am when it comes to telling people goodbye. But anyway, yeah, it's been a pleasure to work with you all over the past year. I know research is probably not everyone's favorite subject. But I know it's a pleasure for me in the sense that I get to take you guys through the exercise of completing your projects, your research projects. That intellectual exercise, I think, is meaningful for me in taking you through that experience. I could care less really about the content of what I teach, but I think just the experience of getting to know you all and working with you all was meaningful for me. Um, Before we say goodbye, I just wanted to share this one quick quote. I came across this quote on the internet probably around the year 2010. That's when I graduated from my doctoral studies. Yeah, that time was probably the worst part of my life that I can remember. This was probably back 2000, end of 2007, December into January 2008. 2006 through 2008, my stepfather passed away, my grandfather passed away, my father passed away. I took a year off from my doctoral studies just to take a leave of absence and to work and get my mind straightened out. But anyway, this is a quote that I came across years later, and it reminded me of that experience, of that really awful experience of going through graduate school. And so I just wanted to share this quote with you all because I know it gave me a little strength. And so here it goes. You see it on screen here. Yeah, it's kind of awkward reading it to you all, but yeah, yeah, here goes. The best thing for being sad, replied Merlin, beginning to puff and blow, is to learn something. That's the only thing that never fails. You may grow old and trembling in your anatomies. You may lie awake at night listening to the disorder of your veins. You may miss your only love. You may see the world about you devastated by evil lunatics. That's of course our president over here, but or know your honor trampled in the sewers of baser minds. There's only one thing for it then, to learn. Learn why the world wags and what wags it. That's the only thing which the mind can never exhaust, never alienate, never be tortured by, never fear or distrust, and never dream of regretting. Learning is the only thing for you. Look what a lot of things there are to learn. This is from the author T.H. White, and the book is called The Once and Future King. I certainly didn't come up with this quote, but I just wanted to share that with you all. Good luck to you all. It seems like many of you will be back. I know I wrote a few recommendation letters for you all, but if you're coming back to NEIU in the fall, I look forward to seeing you. Hopefully things get a little more normal than they are now, but please have a safe summer and best of luck to you all. Okay, take good care.